We'd be out on the trail, just hiking. Nature sure is beautiful. There's so many beautiful things. Even if you don't like the scenery, or even if you don't like the people, and I do like the people, but I used to like the people a little less. But the scenery is always there for you. Look at that. There's mushrooms, trees, and apparently there's a mother tree that guides the whole forest. Very interesting. Just talking with the other hikers, and sometimes an adventure doesn't feel like it when you're first starting out, but when you look back, you see something of great value.